Civil engineers have a major role to play in the development of a nation. They have to make the necessary infrastructure design in order to meet safety, reliability, environmental, cost operational, and maintenance objectives.
Civil engineers are regarded as essential specialists. They have one of the most important responsibilities on earth, which is to improve people's quality of life. These experts plan, design, develop, and operate the infrastructure required for contemporary civilization, ranging from public water systems and public utilities to motorways and bridges, using both technical and creative talents.
Civil engineering helps us in many ways, like for example, civil engineering helps in the designing, planning, and constructing of many of the structure and services that we use every day. From highway and airports to basic everyday utilities, few public services are untouched by the discipline of civil engineering.
Transportation engineering is a branch of civil engineering that is involved in the planning, design, operation, and maintenance of safe and efficient transportation system. The role of a transportation engineer is to develop efficient transportation system, fulfill these needs. Transportation engineers could also review the effect of urban development on traffic system, simulate traffic system on intersection to make sure that traffic movement is safe.
Responsibilities of transportation engineers are planning roadway construction and maintenance, as well as design airports, subways, and metro transit system. Civil engineers often work outdoors at construction sites to monitor progress and troubleshoot any problems that come up. Most work full-time.
The field of structural engineering deals with principles and methods for design of building and civil engineering structures. The objective in design is also under the influence of the relevant loads and actions during the lifetime of the structure.
Structural engineering sustain and strengthen the built environment, ensuring structures are functionable, serviceable, durable, aesthetically attractive, and cost-effective. They study how to make buildings stand up during earthquakes, hurricane, and other natural disasters. Their main role in our society was to make sure all our building and infrastructure are safe and secure to use.
Ensuring potable water and clean air and extends to protecting the earth on which we farm and oceans where we fish. Meeting clean water supply needs, protecting public health, dealing with problems caused by global warming and reducing pollution are among the works of environmental engineers.
Environmental engineers, they develop the models of pollution and its sources, monitoring emission and helping ensure compliance with regulation, and designing and implementing technologies that will improve the quality of air, helps in preventing the release of harmful chemical and biological contamination to the air, water, and soil.
The responsibility of water resource engineer is to manage a population's water use and ensure that the treatment of water is safe for human consumption. They are also responsible for designing of sewage treatment plants, supply systems, pipelines, and pump systems to effectively manage wastewater for both private and public consumption, which balances the nature and the user.
Water resources engineers fulfill a wide variety of roles in designing, planning, and managing water-based systems. These roles include designing major water distribution systems that transport water to water users and collection systems that convey waste and storm water, managing surface and groundwater sources, and many other water-related engineering functions like building dams, irrigations, wastewater, and other water functions.
Technical engineering is important for community planning and construction. Without it, building could lean, settle, and eventually collapse as the earth below them shifts.
Geotechnical engineering is the study of behavior soils under the influence of loading forces and soil-water interactions. This knowledge is applied to the design of foundations, retaining walls, earth dams, clay liners, and geosynthetics for waste containment. The main role of a geotechnical engineer is to ensure building to stand tall at the ground level.
Civil engineer plays a huge role in our society. Today, looking at our surroundings, the contribution of civil engineering is something which is highly appreciated. Although, no matter how modern the work requires to be, the safety of people and environment should not be compromised.